somehow.
How that happened?
I don't know. Maybe a predator just flipped it somehow.
Could be.
But then it just maybe increased its size and something else that was much bigger and then ate it. Careful.
Is it dying? How white? What's it doing in the winter time in this place?
I don't know. Maybe it's trying to flip itself back up. Let's try something. Turtles are too slow.
Yeah, it's got pretty big
and they don't even
claws.
Good hearing.
Holy moly!
Careful, it's sinking right now. You're sinking. What the heck are you doing? We're sinking.
No, we're not sinking. We're not sinking. We're sinking here.
To hibernation. Careful.
She smells. Unbelievable. Is it a boy or girl?
I have no clue. Probably
unbelievable.
Can you grab? Oh my gosh, you're sinking.
No, I'm not.
Can you stand up?
Snappy turtle.
Can you get your feet up? You are sinking. Paw.
I have good rubber boots.
Then try to step up. You just slightly stunk. Okay, just have to. How are you gonna flip it back up?
Let's flip it, maybe survive. Done. Okay, baby, you go. You saved. You saved. You go home.
Don't add too much weight on you.
Do you have a?
Sinking right now. Think to snap them. Oh, is the power back on?
Yeah, for some reason power back on. Come on,
How
come on.
much battery's left?
Come on, go. Can you go home? Go home, it's time.
I think he needs
Wake
a
up,
bigger
baby.
stick. I think he needs a bigger stick. Try that. So he can snap a bigger stick.
Okay.
Maybe he's hibernating.
No. Yeah, it's slow. It's slow, obviously. It's ugly heck of a deal. Okay. Okay, go home, baby.
Let's go slow.
Where she's going, Wanda?
It's probably slowing down by something. Remember we saw snapping turtles sitting in the middle of the road? Sitting there. I guess it was too hard for him to get through it, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Well, it was in the fall time, a bit it was colder.
That's a true dinosaur.
It's not a dinosaur. It's
you know what dinosaur get?
I know they are reptiles, but this is really a turtle. I see somebody's rubber band stuck in the ice.
Yeah.
Make sure that turtle doesn't even eat it.
She smells bad.
Because he stepped in the swamp water, that's why. Oh, he is heading to the lake. Probably the thinnest ice.